Right now there's a countdown running that almost nobody in the YouTube space is paying attention to. GTA 6 launches in about 4 months on November 19th, and that one date is about to create one of the biggest content opportunities YouTube has ever seen in years. Ever noticed how a handful of channels always blow up right before a massive game launches? That's not luck, that's timing. When GTA 5 released back in 2013, a small group of creators who started early built channels that are still making money more than a decade later. They weren't the best gamers, they weren't the best editors, they were just early. GTA 6 is about to repeat that, except bigger. The physical edition sold out on Amazon within about an hour of pre-orders opening. PS5 pre-orders are reportedly outselling Xbox almost 6 to 1. People are literally buying new consoles just for this one game. I'm not exaggerating for this effect, that's genuinely what's happening right now. So in this video, I'm giving you 6 YouTube niches connected to GTA 6 that beginners can actually start. No big setup needed, no team. Some of these don't even need your face on camera. And let me tell you, the last 2 niches on this list are the ones almost nobody's doing yet, so stick around till the end. Let's start with the easiest one. Niche 1. The Faceless News Channel. Rockstar barely talks. They drop maybe one real update every few months, and every single time it explodes online. That silence is actually your opportunity, because it creates constant demand for someone to explain what's going on in simple language, quickly. Most people skip this niche because they assume news channels need a big team or an insider context. You don't. You need to check reliable gaming resources daily, pick the update that actually matters, and explain it clearly in your own words. Money here comes from regular ad revenue and later affiliate links to pre-orders or gaming gear. For the workflow, AI tools can help with faceless voiceovers, quick script structuring, and thumbnails. One person can run this entire channel alone. Start before launch because search demand for GTA 6 news is peaking right now. It only gets more crowded as more creators notice this opportunity closer to release. But if explanation news doesn't excite you, here's a niche that is more likely detective work. Niche 2. Story theory and trailer breakdown. Only 2 official trailers exist so far, and fans have rewatched them thousands of times, hunting for hidden details about Jason and Lucia's story. With marketing ramping up, more trailers are expected soon. When they drop, theory videos around them are going to explode. Most creators avoid this niche assuming they need to already be a big gaming channel to be taken seriously. Actually, it's the opposite. Smaller, sharper theory channels often outperform the bigger ones because viewers trust someone who is clearly done with the homework. To start, rewatch the trailers frame by frame, compare small details, and build theories backed by evidence, not just guesses. Monetization comes through ads and later brand sponsorships wanting visibility before launch. Once the game actually releases, most of the mystery disappears, and so does this format, which is actually why this window won't stay open for long. Now here's a niche that surprised me because it barely needs any GTA 6 footage at all. Niche 3. Nostalgia and evolution of GTA content. This one runs on emotion. Longtime fans love watching how the series evolved, from the older titles to GTA 5 and now to GTA 6. This kind of content also pulls in new viewers who are simply curious what all the noise is about. Almost nobody's doing this well, because most creators only chase the newest update, ignoring the bigger story of the franchisee. But nostalgia content tends to hold attention much longer, which genuinely helps you with the algorithm too. You don't need fresh footage here. You need solid research, a clear narrative, and a calm, confident voiceover, which AI voice tools can help you produce faster, even if you are not comfortable with speaking on the camera yourself. Start before the launch, because right now everyone's attention is already sitting on GTA. Once the game actually releases, the nostalgia angle gets replaced by pure gameplay content. But if you don't want to touch the gaming content directly at all, here's a completely different angle. Niche 4. The Hardware and Buying Decision Channel. Here's something most people are completely overlooking. GTA 6 is launching only on PS5 and Xbox Series, not PC at all. That one decision alone is pushing thousands of people to buy new consoles right now. Creators usually keep gaming news and tech content separate, missing this overlap completely. But think about it. Someone searching PS5 or Xbox for GTA today is a few clicks away from actually buying something. This makes this one of the most directly profitable niches on this entire list. To start, cover console comparisons, price tracking, and accessory recommendations. Money here comes mainly through affiliate commissions, since you're guiding people right before a purchase decision. Start now, not later, because pre-launch is exactly when people are actively deciding what to buy. The buying window closes fast once the game actually releases. Now here's where things get really interesting, because the next 2 niches are the ones almost nobody's talking about yet. Niche 5. The Ready Before Launch Guide channel. Think about what happens the moment GTA 6 actually drops. Millions of players instantly search YouTube for guides and walkthroughs, and whoever publishes first usually wins their search traffic for months, sometimes years. Most creators wait until launch day to even start playing, which puts them way behind. But you can start preparing right now. Research the confirmed locations, the two playable characters, and the mechanics teased in the trailers, and build templates you can fill in fast the second the game releases. This is generally a race, and people preparing during these 4 months have a real head start. Money comes through ad revenue, and unlike most niches on the list, guide content keeps pulling in views long after the initial launch hype fades. And finally, the easiest niche to start today. Niche 6. Short form reaction and detailed clips. If long videos feel intimidating, start here. Short, focused clips, reacting to one detail, one location, one small Easter egg are performing extremely well right now because the algorithm is actively pushing gaming shorts towards new audiences. Most beginners assume shorts need to be funny or trend-based, but in a high-interest topic like this, simple, informative shorts do just as well, sometimes even better. Post one small detail a day, stay consistent, and this can realistically become your fastest growing format. Money comes from the Shorts monetization program, plus it drives traffic straight back to your main channel. And the reason to start now is simple. Being early on a trending topic genuinely matters, because once competitors flood in after launch, standing out gets a lot harder. So, that's 6 real opportunities all connected to one event that's happening whether you act on it or not. I'm not saying any of this is easy. Building a channel takes consistency, and your results will depend on execution, not luck. But this is a real, time-limited opportunity, and the creators who start now are the ones who will benefit most once the hype peaks closer to November. Here's how I want you to get deeper. If you want a complete step-by-step guide on any of these, setting up the channel, scripting, using AI tools, and actually monetizing it, comment the niche number and the name below. Something like 2. Story Theory channel. Whichever one gets the most comment, I'll turn it into my next full breakdown. You have now got 6 solid niches, but picking the right niche is honestly only the half job. If your video isn't visually standing out, growing gets a lot harder, no matter how good your niche is. That's actually why I made a next video where I broke down a brand new AI-powered 2D animation style that's helping creators make professional looking videos faster than ever. It may help you in this niche as well. Click on the video on your screen right now. I think it's genuinely going to change how you think about creating content.